Welcome to today's video, where we'll uncover simple yet powerful ways to save money without even noticing. Many of us struggle to build savings because it feels like a sacrifice. But what if you could save effortlessly while still enjoying your lifestyle? In this video, I'll share smart strategies that work in the background of your daily routine, helping you grow your savings automatically. Stick around for all the tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. Number 5. Automate savings. Automating savings is one of the easiest ways to put money aside without even realizing it. When you set up an automatic transfer from your main account to a savings account, the money is moved before you get the chance to spend it. This process creates a habit of saving without requiring you to think about it each month. Many banks offer options to schedule weekly or monthly transfers, and once set, it continues to work in the background. The key benefit is that you no longer rely on willpower to save. Instead, it becomes a routine financial habit. Even small amounts like $10 or $20 can grow significantly over time when saved regularly. Over the months, you'll notice your savings account increasing, while your spending adjusts naturally since the money isn't available in your main account. This method works effectively for people who find it difficult to save manually. By removing the temptation and making saving automatic, you are essentially tricking yourself into building financial security. In the long run, automated savings ensure that you always set something aside for future needs, whether it's for emergencies, investments, or personal goals. Number 4. Round up purchases. Rounding up purchases is another effortless way to save money without noticing a big change in your lifestyle. Many banking apps and third-party tools allow you to link your card so that every time you make a purchase, the amount is rounded up to the nearest dollar, and the extra cents are placed into savings. For example, if you spend $4.60 on coffee, the app automatically saves $0.40, making the total $5. Over time, these small contributions add up, creating a nice savings cushion. The best part is that you don't feel a difference because the amounts are tiny and practically invisible in daily spending. This method works especially well for people who make frequent small purchases throughout the week, like groceries, snacks, or transportation fares. Instead of trying to put aside large chunks of money, this system saves little by little, making it painless. What seems like pocket change today could become hundreds of dollars after a few months. By allowing technology to handle these small savings automatically, you'll be surprised at how fast the total grows. It's a smart and simple way to save without even realizing that you're doing it. Number 3. Cut hidden costs. Hidden costs are one of the biggest silent threats to your financial health. Subscriptions and memberships that you don't use regularly often drain your money each month without providing real value. It could be streaming platforms, gym memberships, or even app subscriptions that quietly renew. Many people forget they are paying for these services until they check their bank statements. By reviewing your recurring expenses once a month, you can identify which ones are unnecessary and cancel them. This small step ensures that your money is only being used for services you truly value. Even if each subscription costs $10 or $15, cutting multiple unused ones can save hundreds over the year. Besides subscriptions, there are other hidden costs like banking fees, late charges, or insurance add-ons that you may not notice. Monitoring your accounts regularly helps you avoid such losses. Eliminating hidden costs doesn't require sacrifice. It simply means you stop paying for things that you no longer use or need. The money you save can be redirected into your savings or used for more meaningful goals. This method frees up cash flow while keeping your financial life clean and organized. Number 2. Use cashback and rewards. Cashback and rewards programs are an excellent way to save money while spending on essentials. Many credit cards and mobile apps offer cashback on purchases like groceries, fuel, or online shopping. For example, if you earn 2% cash back on your weekly grocery bill, that's money going back into your pocket with no extra effort. Similarly, rewards points collected over time can be redeemed for discounts, vouchers, or even free items. This system allows you to stretch your spending further without changing your habits drastically. The key is to use cashback and rewards on things you already need, not as an excuse to spend more. By staying disciplined, you can maximize benefits from your regular expenses. Some apps also offer instant cashback or bonus points for using certain stores, which makes everyday spending more valuable. While the amounts may seem small initially, consistent usage can lead to significant yearly savings. Over time, this habit makes your money work harder for you. Essentially, you're getting paid for buying the things you would have purchased anyway. Using cashback and rewards programs is like receiving free savings, helping you build financial strength with little effort. Number 1. Stick to cash for extras. Using cash for extras is a practical method to control spending and save money without noticing. When you rely on digital payments or credit cards, it becomes easy to overspend because you don't feel the money leaving your hands. Cash, on the other hand, makes you more aware of your spending since you physically see it decrease. To apply this method, set aside a small amount of cash each week specifically for non-essential purchases like eating out, entertainment, or treats. Once that cash is gone, you stop spending on extras for the rest of the week. This creates a natural limit without making you feel deprived. The psychological effect of handing over cash makes people spend more carefully compared to swiping a card. It also helps you prioritize what extras truly matter, avoiding impulse buys. Over time, this habit reduces unnecessary spending and keeps your budget balanced. The beauty of this approach is that it doesn't interfere with essential expenses, since those can remain digital or automated. By keeping extras in cash only, you trick yourself into saving more, while still enjoying life within healthy financial boundaries. This discipline quietly boosts your overall savings. Thanks for watching this video on saving money without noticing. I hope these practical tips inspire you to build your savings with ease and confidence. Keep applying these small changes, and you'll see big results over time. Stay tuned for more money-saving ideas, and remember to subscribe for future updates.